You saw that right. It's currently 18 degrees out right now in Syracuse, New York. But we out here making a video for you guys. Welcome back to Crazy Monkey Detailing. This is Trevor, and we got a mystery box or bucket unboxing for you today. If you haven't checked out my other unboxing video of over $600 worth of product, I'll put a link up in the thumbnail and you can go check that one out as well. But without further ado, let's get right into this bucket and see what we got. So this is their bucket from their Midnight collection. Unfortunately, I didn't get the black bucket, which would have had over $250 worth of product. But at least this one, it was $70. It guarantees at least $120 or more. So let's check it out. This has the Gamma lid on it, where it screws, it's airtight, and you can fill the bucket up with water and bring it to a car wash. So right away, we'll pull out all the spray nozzles as always. You always have a bunch of these, so that's cool. And let's not lose them in the snow here. Well, right away, we got a clay bar from Adams Polishes, and it looks like it comes with 2 little bars in there. I normally use a mother's clay bar, but I can always use more for sure. So that's cool, we got that. Then also, we got some Ultra Foam shampoo. This stuff is killer. I've used it before, and it works really, really good with my foam gun. And I'm sure it'd work even better with a foam cannon. We also got some all-purpose interior cleaning gel. This stuff works really well for your interior detailing needs. We got some glass cleaner. I actually haven't tried out Adams Polishes glass cleaner yet, but I'll definitely have to try that out. We also got some H2O Garden Gloss. Another product, I have this from my last unboxing. Another really cool product that they sell. I'll have to check that one out as well. And last for the products, we got the leather and interior cleaner. I've used this before and it works really, really well. And I'm excited to use that. And then we got a big bucket of interior detailer. I use the interior detailer, so having a whole gallon of this stuff will go a long way. I can't wait to use this. And then we got here a glass cleaning towel. So this will be interesting to use with that glass cleaner that I have. I'll use this with the glass cleaner and also a regular towel too to see if there's any difference. And then at the bottom, of course, got a Adams Polishes sticker and then a couple of their mints here. So I'm gonna run inside real quick, warm up a little bit, and check what these products cost. All right, so was this bucket worth it? Let's see what we got. So for this Gamma lid and bucket, if you buy it off their website, it normally comes with a grit guard. This did not come with a grit guard, so I'm gonna put that one at about $20. The glass towel is $9. Clay bar, also $9. Leather and interior cleaner, $9. H2O Garden Gloss, $20. All-purpose interior cleaner, $10. Ultra Foam, $15. Glass cleaner, $13. Interior detailer gallon was $40. And that totals up to $145. So that's pretty good. Honestly, I am not a huge fan of the bucket because the bucket alone was $20, and I have so many buckets laying around that I don't really need them. But with this lid, it'll be nice to have for if I need to go to a car wash in the winter time where I can't wash my car, as you can see, because it'll freeze up pretty much instantly. So is the Adams Polishes mystery buckets really worth it? They're $70, guaranteeing at least $120. Well, in my opinion, you take about $20 off the bucket alone, so you don't get as much product back as you could from a regular mystery box. I've bought the cheaper tier, the $30 boxes before, and I feel like I get a lot more product that way because I don't have to worry about them shipping in a bucket and kind of putting towards that cost of the overall price of it. It was a gamble. This was their mystery bucket from their midnight sale. So if you got a black bucket, you could get over $250 worth of product. That's obviously what I was hoping to get, and as you can tell, I didn't get it. But you still get a lot of great products, and whenever I can get a mystery box, I pretty much grab it because I want to stock up as much product as I can. So I never will really run out if I can help it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you want to see being used in future videos. And